Okay, now let's try to solve the equation given. Okay, here also we are going to find the index, so by solving from the equation given. So here we have 3y power of 2 plus 3 equals to 9 power of 2y. So note in the base same, so I'm going to change it to become a same base. So 3 here, let it be 2 3y power of 2 plus 3 equals to, here I'm going to change it to 3 power of 2 to y. So I will get the same base already, so I just can solve the equation equals to 4y. So write it in the quadratic equation. So I gave the equations of quadratic over here. Okay, so now I can solve them using my FOIL method. Okay, so I have y over here, y over here. This is of course 1 and 3. So negative, negative. So I get y value of x or y equals to 3. So this is the value of the index y if from the equation given over here. Okay, so now let's see the second example, whereby we have 25 power of n divided by 5 power of n minus 1 equals to 125 power of 2 minus n. So I'm going to change all these to the base of 5. So 25 I will have 25, 5 power of 2 I will have 25, so n over here divided by 5n minus 1 equals to 25, 125 power of 3. Okay, n minus 2. So all of it have been in power of 3, so I can write off 5 using the index rules. So I have 2n minus n plus 1 equals to 5, 6 minus 3n. Okay, okay, so base are same, so I can let it be 2n minus n plus 1 equals to 6 minus 3n. So n plus 1 equals to 6 minus 3n. So 4n equals to 6 minus 1. So I have n equals to 5 over 4. So the value for the n here is 5 over 4. Okay, so I have been solved the index from the equation given. So sometimes the equation can be in the quadratic mode, or sometimes can be in the single